So this is for those people who don't believe that you can make money using cash cow channels. This channel is literally making $10,000 every single month. And recently the growth has been exploding on the channel. So it's been bringing in more than $800 a day, almost $900 every single day. So that's crazy. Imagine making $1,000 every single day for something that you don't even have to show your face in. So this is how much I'm getting paid for each 1,000 views. And that's what I'm going to show you how you can do the same right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 every single day by using a cash cow YouTube channel. You don't need a camera for this. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to make videos, and you don't need to speak on the videos. What? How is this possible? I'm going to show you right now. Best of all, you're going to be paid through YouTube, so it works worldwide. If you're able to have a YouTube account right now to watch this video, then you can get paid by YouTube. It works with any payment method that you can imagine, and it's completely free. So if you like the sound of that and you subscribe to the channel already, you know the drill. Click where I click, do what I do, and by the end of this video right here, you're going to be ready to start making money. And I'm doing a giveaway of 5 premium memberships to my Pro University course. So once I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 5 one-month memberships to 5 different people. All you have to do to win is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment on the video some of your social media handles so I can contact you. And on top of that, if you share the video with someone else and they like, subscribe, and comment as well, and they win, you will also get 1 month membership for free. So it's 5 memberships, but everyone that shares, if the friend wins, you will also get one. So go ahead and share this video with everyone you know. On top of helping them make money online, you're also going to be helping yourself to build an online business with the Pro University membership. So I want to start off by showing you some insights, some analytics of this cash cow channel that I have. And as you can see here on the analytics, it's been making, this month alone, it made $10,000. And since the topics that I post have been blowing up, it's been making almost $900 every single day. As you can see here, this is not a screenshot. On the low end, when it was making a little money, it was already $146.63. Imagine if you could make the low end of this ad revenue. And the best of all, this is only ad revenue, which is not the most money you're going to be making. I'm also going to show you how you can use affiliate marketing with this method to make a lot more money than this. I'm going to show you how you can skyrocket your channel with some free traffic from other platforms and still be able to monetize your channel. All right, so what is a cash cow channel? Cash cow channel is just a channel that you don't have to speak on it. You don't have to do videos. You don't have to appear on camera. It's just an automated channel that's making you money while you sleep. That's a cash cow channel. And the first thing that you need to do to start a cash cow channel is obviously open a YouTube account. And all you have to do to open a YouTube account, if you don't know, just watch my playlist after this video, how to make money with YouTube. And in that playlist, I have a video showing you how you can create an account on YouTube. It's very, very easy. And if you're watching this video, you probably have one right now. And with that said, what kind of videos should you be making? Well, since you want to make money, you need to choose a high-paying niche. And one of those high-paying niches, finance. And I'm going to give you away for free my little secret. So I'm into finance, and all the cash cow channels I do are into finance as well. So this that I'm going to share with you right now is my personal strategy. So because of that, if you want to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? I literally post 3 videos here on the channel every single week teaching you how to make money online. If you're not subscribed, you're not going to see the future videos. Go ahead and subscribe right now and let's continue. Okay, so the way that I've been able to have the most success with this method is to use finance news and to use famous people as well. But don't worry, this doesn't infringe copyright or anything. As you can see, you can fully monetize the channel. All right, Reese, that's all great and all, but how do we get those news to make the videos? Okay, so what I do is I like to go into youtube.com and I like to search for famous people. One of the most famous people in the finance niche is Elon Musk. So he owns Tesla, and I just type in Tesla news in the search bar to find new things that Tesla is doing so I can make videos about that. So Elon Musk has just announced a new AI humanoid robot, and this video is getting 1,000 views every single hour, so it's obviously trending. Now, the way you get the news for this is you take this topic, so new AI for new AI humanoid robot. Let's type this on Google. Hey guys, I just wanted to drop in here really quick and tell you about my new course, which is called the Pro University. For you guys that want to make money online and you can't get off the ground, Pro University is going to offer you lots of ways that you can use to make money online. If you're interested in the course, it's only 49 bucks a month, which I can promise you that you're going to be able to make more money than you're going to be spending on it. If you actually follow the lectures inside the course, there's no doubt you will be able to build a profitable business online. If you're struggling to pay credit cards, if you're struggling to pay some bills right now, don't hesitate to check out the course. Inside the course, there's also a Discord group which you're going to have private access to, that I'm in there at least once every single day answering all the questions that you have personally. So that means when you get in the course, apart from all the video tutorials that you're going to be seeing, you're also going to have my help. And on the videos inside Pro University, I'm able to do something that I can't do here on YouTube, which is go in depth into all of these topics, explain every single topic that there is into building a profitable business. And I'm able to do that without having to worry about the YouTube algorithm promoting my video or not. So if you're interested, just click the link below in description. It's called Pro University. It's going to be there for you for 49 bucks a month, and you can even affiliate yourself to the program to be able to earn a 25% commission every time you make a sale. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. All right, so Tesla humanoid robot, you could just get one of those news and make the video about it, but what we're going to do today is we're going to go to a website called anyword.com, and what this website does is going to write an article for you. So start for free. Click on the top right hand corner of the website where I just clicked right now. You want to click sign up. Oh, first you want to input your email and password, and you need to sign up to this AI robot. All right, now you need to verify your address. Okay, so now once you verified your address, it's going to take you to their website again, and you want to click blog wizard on the left hand side, and you want to click on new blog post. Okay, so when you hit the new blog post, what you're going to do is describe the blog post you want to create. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create something related to the AI robot that has just been released, and I'm going to link it to Elon Musk and Tesla. Okay, so implications of AI robots in our day-to-day life. All right, so I'm just going to do that. Business and finance next. All right, the name of the title of the blog post that we're creating is Tesla. This one is fine. All right, I actually generated a new title, the perks of having AI robots in our society. This one is going to be a good one. So next. All right, so now it generated an outline for our blog post that we're going to be using to make a video. Click next. All right, so now it's asking me for an intro paragraph. I'm going to choose the first one because it has a better SEO. Click next. Setup is complete. Continue to editor. Okay, don't show again. Got it. Now what you have to do to generate your video script is click generate. Right on the right hand side here, you have to hover over your mouse down the bottom just to show the option to generate. Just click on it, generate video, generate script. Now you go down again, generate again. You're going to do this for the 5 key points of the video. Okay, so go down again, generate again. It has 5 key points and you have to generate all of them. All right, go down, generate again. If you notice, it's not showing the generate option right now, but when I hover my mouse over it, it shows generate. Okay, so I'm just going to click again, and that's the 5th and last one. Okay, so now all of them are generated. There are 421 words. If I want more words, I can just click continue here, and it's going to generate even more words for this specific point of the video. All right, that way it's going to give me more words to make the video even longer, to be able to earn more in ads. All right, so after you've done that, to copy the whole article, what you have to do is come to the top, and you're going to click this button right here, copy blog post to clipboard. Just click on it, get a text file. All right, save your script somewhere. All right, so now we're going to go to a website called video.co, video spelled with W. All right, I'll leave the links in the pinned comment in the video as well. I'm just going to leave a file in the pinned comment and in the description. If you want the links for these websites that I'm talking about, you can just go look for the text file over there. Okay, so once you hit this website, I'm going to copy part of the script just to show it to you. So I'm going to copy this part here, and I'm going to put it here, copy and paste it here, write your text here. What this website is going to do is going to take your text and it's going to read it for you. It's going to transform it into an MP3 file that you can use to create the video. Okay, all right, so preview. All right, so as you can see, it's reading the file. Download MP3. That way you can download what you just wrote in there. Now for the video, you need images. Where do I get free images so I don't get copyright? What you can do is you can go to a website called pexels.com, and you're going to click videos. You're going to search for something related to the video that you're making. Okay, so I found lots of robot videos. Once you've done that, all you have to do is download a bunch of these videos and put them together in the editing software that I'm going to show you how to do as well. Okay, so just click open a few of them. All right, now all you have to do to download is just click free download, and it's going to start downloading. All right, so I downloaded 5 of these videos just to show you how it works. Now we have our videos and we have our MP3 file. Now I'm going to go to YouTube, put on the search bar no copyright sounds, and I'm going to look for this YouTube channel right here because it gives you free copyright music that you can use in your videos without having to worry about copyright. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a random video right here, and the way you download their music is when you click the video, you look in the description, you scroll down, and you're going to see that they have a website for you to download the music. Free download NCS music here. Click the website. I'm also going to leave the link for the website for you guys so you don't have to come to the YouTube channel and everything. Okay, but you will have to come to the YouTube channel to to listen to the music, so you can just go there and listen to it if you want. So now I'm going to copy the name of this song. I'm going to go to their website. I'm going to click open music library, and I'm going to search for the song that we just listened to. Paste it here on the left hand side and click enter. I just found it. All you have to do right now is click this download button right here. When you click the download button, it's going to tell you that you have to credit the author in the description of your video. And how do you do that? You just copy this text right here and you paste it in your description. So I'm going to copy it, save it somewhere, and I'm going to download the song. Preferably you want to download instrumental version if they have one. Okay, so the song is downloading. Now we have the music, we have the voiceover and the video. Now we need to put them together. So if you're using Windows, you can get DaVinci Resolve for free. If you're using a Mac, you can get iMovie for free. But if you want to really go pro, you could use Premiere Pro, which is the one that I use. But if you don't want to, you can just use iMovie. That's fine. DaVinci Resolve, that's fine. You can even use Windows Movie Maker if you want, which is also free and comes in Windows. Okay, so then open your editing software. Now import your music, your voiceover, and the videos that we downloaded. Now you just drag and drop them into the timeline like this. Now we're going to take our voiceover, drop it down here. Now we're going to take our music and drop under the voiceover. Okay, so now to cut the video, just to make it the same size, to show you how you can do it, click this razor right here or click the C button on your keyboard and you can cut the video so it's all even. All right, now it's all the same size. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, so let's hear the video.
The perks of having AI robots in society. AI robots are an essential part of the American workforce today in both the manufacturing and service sectors. While some find their presence to be unnerving, there are many ways that AI robots can actually make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Here's a look at how we can all benefit from having AI robots in society today. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with making computers as smart as.
All right, so that's a short clip. The music obviously didn't go well with the video. I'd recommend that you choose better the music. And if you have more time to choose the actual clips, would be good as well. It will help if you have better image quality. And when I say image quality, I just mean something that fits with what she is saying in the background, okay? It doesn't have to be the highest quality 4K or anything. You just have to fit the style of the video and the music also. Now, after you've created your video, click export. Now you want to export the video, and that is it for the video. It's done. Now, these videos, you can also post them to TikTok. Before I show you some of my results on TikTok, I want to tell you that I'm doing a giveaway for a premium 1-month membership of my course to 5 people once I hit 100,000 subscribers. And all you have to do to win the prize is like this video, comment on the video with some of your social media handles so I can contact you if you win, and subscribe to the channel. And if you share this video with someone else and they win, you will also get a 1-month membership. So if you share the video and that other person wins, both of you get 1-month membership. But if all of the 5 people that win share the video with someone else and that person wins, then I'm going to be giving away possibly 10 memberships. Okay, but everyone has to be subscribed, they have to comment on the video, and they have to like the video. Now, this is my TikTok account. The way to explode your channel with quick views when you have 0 subscribers is to post TikToks and add a link to your bio to your YouTube channel so people can go there and subscribe and find your channel, like I've just did right here. And as you can see, TikTok has a huge organic reach. You can post a video like this video that I posted yesterday. It already has 335,000 views yesterday. And as you can see, it's the same thing that I've just taught you how to do. I'm talking about Elon Musk. The difference is I'm appearing on a video, but I also do fully B-rolls like this one of the robot. Like I've just told you, I posted one like this in my TikTok account. These videos can also be posted into your YouTube account as YouTube Shorts. It doesn't have to be TikToks, but TikToks will give you a huge organic reach. I recommend that you post them into TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And if you want to learn how you can do that, you can just click here and watch this video right now that I've prepared for you. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play harder.